Welcome back, guys. This is how to build a monster truck. Yes, you know what I said. So, like, subscribe, turn the notifications on. Don't forget to comment. Okay, I dropped it. That's an idiot. I'm an idiot. All my videos are for 7-year-olds and for 3-year-olds. But no, not for 3-year-olds. Yeah. But yeah. Kids, don't unless you're clean. Make sure to clean your room up all day. Yes, I didn't build these guys. Putting the wheels on is the hardest for me. Not for my brother because he still has one hand, but harder when you're holding something in the other hand. Now, there's a simple car, a monster truck, but now I need to make the guy. So you need 2 eyeballs and put them angry ways. And then you put legs on. And guess who it is? It's Piku Niku. Nico. Or Darth Vader. Nico. And you pretend putting him in. What are you doing? And this is the end of the video. If you haven't watched part 1 on how to build a simple car, part 1, go check that video out. And shout out to Danger Bros and Mr. Beast. The end. Bye, guys.